The key to a stress-free moving experience. Ensuring your possessions are handled with utmost care is using Book a Mover /S comparison services. Why using home moving services is better than doing it yourself. Efficiency and speed. An established house removal company has the expertise to move your belongings quickly and efficiently. Convenience. Using professional help allows you to focus on other aspects of your move. Safety and security. House removal companies are often insured, meaning your belongings are covered in case of damage. What are the 4 simple steps which can find you the best local moving company? Submit your house removals request to us. We will match them with the best local movers. Receive up to 6 moving quotes to compare. Contact the best removers to book your move. How much house removals costs? The average removal cost in the UK is £655 for a 2-bedrooms property. The average removal cost in the UK is £1,032 for a 3-bedrooms property. How to reduce your house removals price? Declutter before the move. Get multiple quotes. Do the packing by yourself. Negotiate the final price. Use your own packing supplies. Check for discounts. Be clear about your inventory. Confirm no hidden fees. What additional services you can get when using professional services? Packing and unpacking services. Some house removal companies offer to pack all your belongings before the move and unpack them at your new location, making the move hassle-free. Furniture disassembly and assembly. Careful disassembly of large furniture pieces for easier transportation and reassembly at your new home. Storage services. House removal companies may offer temporary storage solutions if you need to store your belongings before, during, or after the move. Supply of packing materials. Some companies can supply all the necessary packing materials, such as boxes, bubble wrap, and packing tape. Cleaning services. A few house removal companies also offer cleaning services for your old home, new home, or both, ensuring a clean space for your move.